बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स। हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान सीरीज़ के इस हिस्से में हम इकबाल्स प्रेसिडेंशियल एड्रेस एट इलाहाबाद या अल्लामा इकबाल का खुतबा इलाहाबाद इससे मुतल्लक अहम क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो ज़रूर लाइक कीजिएगा। आइए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। अल्लामा इकबाल गॉट द टाइटल ऑफ सर इन आंसर इज़ दिसंबर 1922 where annual session of All India Muslim League was held in 1930. Answer is Allahabad. Allama Iqbal presidential address at Allahabad is landmark because it laid the intellectual foundation of answer is Muslim nationalism. As for the Muslims of Pakistan, who was accepted as the visionary who convinced the idea of a separate homeland, answer is Allama Iqbal. Which Muslim leader was not an idealist and a thinker alone? Answer is Allama Iqbal. Which was the political area of Allama Iqbal? Answer is Punjab. When Iqbal became a member of the Punjab Legislative Council? Answer is 1926. When the climax of Iqbal's political career came? Answer is 1930. Who set before the Indian Muslims the national goal which later came to be known as Pakistan? Answer is Allama Iqbal. Whose claim in 1930 made the Indian Muslims something more than a community, a nation? Answer is Allama Iqbal. Who expressed his views in 1930 that Hindus and Muslims are two separate and distinct nations who could never become one nation? Answer is Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal's address shows that he had come close to the idea of answer is separation. Who said in 1930 that Muslims of India ultimately have to establish a separate homeland? Answer is Allama Muhammad Iqbal. The Lahore Resolution passed in 1940 was in fact based on answer is Allama Iqbal's address at Allahabad. व्यूअर्स, अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो ज़रूर लाइक कीजिएगा, चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर एग्जाम्स। अल्लाह हाफिज़।